Well, between Missouri and Kansas, we've got a lot of money questions. A recent study shows the top money term Googled in Missouri is earn more money, and in Kansas, it's financial planning. Joining me now is local financial professional Kyle Hammerschmidt from MoKan Financial to answer our money questions. Now, Missouri, the term is to earn more money. How can we boost our paychecks?
Well, it's not necessarily about making more money. It's about how to make that money work for you.
Okay.
So the couple areas we want to look at to start are just automating your savings. Make sure you have those automatic transfers from like a paycheck or even a checking account go to an emergency fund or even a savings account.
So always want to roll back part of that paycheck into that emergency savings account. And how much do you suggest to be in that emergency fund?
Everyone's different, but typically about 5 to 10% of what you're bringing in on a yearly basis.
Okay.
Try to save that away into your savings account.
Okay. Now, over in Kansas, people are curious about financial planning. I mean, that's kind of a broad term that Kansas used, but what are the first steps for people to get involved with financial planning?
Well, at MoKan Financial, it's very common for someone to kind of walk through our doors. They have like a stack of statements. They don't know what they have, and more importantly, they don't know if they have enough to last them 10, 20, 30, 40 years into retirement.
Sure. So
we just make sure it's very important that you're educated on what you have. And more importantly, you're meeting your retirement goals pre-retirement and post-retirement. So a good rule of thumb, if you're around age 30, try to have 1 to 2 times your annual salary saved up for retirement. And then by the time age 60, try to have that to about 6 to 8 times your annual salary.
So people will come in with their statements and they have maybe their 401k for their office and maybe they've started an IRA, but they just don't know how to use that money.
Yeah,
how to put
they don't know how to put it all together.
Yeah,
they don't know if it's going to, be enough to last them. So it's just very important that you're educated on, what you have.
Now, what are some common mistakes that you see people make in their financial planning? Like, which is something that I might be doing wrong?
Sure. So the 3 biggest mistakes I see on a daily basis, one most important is missing that employer match.
Oh, yeah.
1 out of 5 people that I'm sitting down with are not putting enough away into their employer plan, like a 401k, to get that employer match. And over a working career, that could equate to about $100,000 difference in your retirement savings account.
Just by, 2 or 3 points, from
Correct.
3 or 4 or 5%, right?
Yep.
What's the most common percentage that you've seen employers make?
Around 5%.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. And then any other mistakes that we should be aware of?
Yep.
Easy
So
mistakes
the
here?
next mistake is just overpaying in fees.
Oh,
If
yeah.
you have a 401k, an IRA, or a managed account, you are paying something. Americans think that they're paying 0 to 1%, but on average it comes out to 3.14%. So we have a tool on our website at MoKanFinancial.com where you can actually look up your employer plan to kind of see what you're paying. But also do the due diligence and do your research. A lot of these fees are hidden and they're baked into the cake with commissions. So it's very important to know exactly what you're paying because those do add up over time.
Sure.
And then last is just early withdrawal penalties.
Oh, yeah.
If you do have a 401k at age 55 and then an IRA at 59 and a half, you cannot touch this money without a 10% penalty.
Yeah.
And this is money that we're leaning on for retirement. So the earlier we touch it,
the more penalty we're going to incur?
Correct.
All right, man, I could sit here and probably talk for another 10 minutes about financial stuff that I need to know about because I want to retire someday too, right? We all do. So Kyle, thank you so much for being here today. We sure do appreciate those details.
Thanks for having me.